Monopoly Super Mario Celebration, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Give each player a reminder card. There is only one die. Money is replaced with coins. Each player begins the game with 30 coins as seen here. Properties are called locations, and utilities are called Bowser Jr. and Magikoopa. Auction bidding starts at 1 coin. Place the question block on the board near free parking. Chance has been removed, leaving only the community chest. And the railroads are replaced with the question block. Whenever you land here, press the button on the block, and based on what sound you hear, perform the following action. Coin ping. Collect 1 coin from the bank for each ping you hear. Power-up ring. Roll the die and move again, following the rules for the space you land. Bowser's laugh. Pay the bank 5 coins. Game over tune. Pay the bank 10 coins. If you want to play without sound, then roll the die instead of pressing the button, following these instructions based on what you rolled. Houses are replaced by Toad houses, and hotels by Peach's castles. Collect 2 coins for passing go. The cost to get out of jail is 5 coins, or you can roll a 6, moving your piece and ending your turn without taking the space action.